How about some good griddle stuff?
What you got on the menu today, Pepaw, for breakfast?
We have bacon, eggs, hash browns, French bread made on that's toast on the griddle, and coffee.
Okay, this is seriously cool.
Capital D for me, delicious.
Hello friends, and thanks for giving us your time. And please leave us a comment because we just love getting those. Most importantly, keep going out and exploring life matters, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.